I have a confession to make. I was so tired last night. I washed off my makeup before I could film how the concealer held up. Also, my phone was dead. It was a whole thing. So today I recreated the look I did yesterday, testing out the Caliray Hideaway Color Correcting Concealer. So I reapplied the makeup as I did yesterday, and I wore it out today. Yesterday, I was going to tell you it wore great. It might have worn away a little bit as the day went on, but it didn't settle into fine lines and wrinkles anymore after the initial application. And it's thin and serum-like and hydrating, yet it lasted all day. No, it was not a full coverage concealer, I will say that. But I put it to the real test today, and I wore it in the pouring down rain. I sweated in it. My eyes were watering. It was a long day, and this is the result. It is almost midnight, and I have to say, for being almost midnight and wearing makeup all day long, it looks pretty darn good. Now, again, it's not a full coverage concealer, but for being almost midnight, I don't have dark circles under my eyes. It didn't crunch or bunch or settle into fine lines and wrinkles. It didn't transfer too much. It might have worn away the littlest bit, but if it did so very naturally and only in the best way. So this might not be the concealer for covering your blemishes. This is probably not going to be a highlighting concealer that you use all over your face. You can probably pair another concealer on top of this if you want to get even more coverage. If you want to see that, let me know, and I will record another video testing that out. But if you like a decent amount of coverage, but that's thin and wearable, very natural, I highly recommend this one for that. This is going to be my go-to concealer for every day now. So I'm really going to put it through its paces, and I will, of course, update you with all of that. But I also wanted to remind you that I used the About Face Curtain Call Pink Powder over the top of it, and I think that combination is working very well. I like both of the products, and they work well together. I, of course, will try it with other powders as I continue to test it, but so far it's so good, and I found a winning combination. I did use the Kosas Nano Brow Pencil on my brows again today, and they were fine, but they were not the greatest. I still just don't think it's the best for my eyebrows, for how sparse they are, for trying to match the shapes. I will keep using it. It looks better, I think, in person than on camera, to be completely honest, which is good because... Well, I guess it's good. Maybe I don't know. Do I want to look better in person or on camera? I don't know. At this point, I don't know. That's all I have for you today. I just wanted to give you a quick update and let you know that this Caliray Concealer, Color Correcting Concealer, is definitely a hit for me as someone with dry, mature skin. I think it is working great. I'm going to continue to play with it, and I'll keep you up to date as always. I'm still loving the About Face Pink Powder, and the Kosas pencil is a little bit of a miss for me. I hope you enjoyed just a quick update video. I'm sorry if the lighting is a little dark. Again, it is very late here. If you're interested in more update videos like this, I'm thinking of recording a video about all of the products I've tried in the first quarter of the year, all of the products I've tried so far in 2025. If you want to see something like that and hear my report on kind of all of those products in a quick kind of rapid review style review, let me know in the comments below. If you liked this quickie little review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video very soon, but until then, take care of yourself.